What's going on, everybody? Let's go ahead and get started drawing Jiraiya. So as you can see, I've already started off with the circle. It's more of an oval shape to his face. Line down the middle, line across, splitting between the two halves, and then another line between the top and the bottom. Now this is very important, this setup, this grid. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of my favorite pens. This is, I'm gonna definitely have the name in the description because it's kind of like I've been using it. I'm gonna let you know. But I also like using microns. And pencil wise, I've been using these Royal. These are the truth. And also Derwent. These are some of my favorites. So I'll leave links to all of these in the description. Let's go ahead and get it. On this very first line, this is where our eyes will go. But I'm gonna draw the nose first, actually. And the nose is gonna come down just opposite on this side of that line. And then we can get our little V shapes that are gonna sit just above this line here. Like so. Okay. Then I'm gonna go add my eyes. Sitting right on this line. Just like that. We'll get that bottom line there. Cool. I usually add the eyebrow right after that. And then Jiraiya has these cool lines that go from the eyebrow right underneath here like such. Get your eyeball in there so it doesn't look weird. Perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, right on top of that top line. Go ahead and add the eyeball, eyebrow, and the really cool part. Okay, top half almost complete. Let's go ahead and add the mouth. Jiraiya has this really cool long smile that kind of, if you were to draw a line from it, kind of starts here and it goes all the way across to here, lining up. We get those smile lines, and then make sure you get the bottom of the lip. Cool. Now that we got that, let's add the chin. Chin's a little difficult, but if you just think of it as a kind of like a U shape. So here's what we'll do. I usually start from the corner here, and I kind of line up where the chin is gonna start. So I'm gonna come around like this. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I'm gonna connect that together. Might take some practice the first couple times. Okay. Now what I might do sometimes, angle this a little bit more. It's okay. And now what's another feature of Jiraiya? We both know these lines that come from here, connect, connect, and the same on the other side. I'm gonna close this little gap here. All right, bottom half complete. This is honestly the most difficult part when it comes to drawing a character's face. Let's move on. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna add the headband. Draw a line like this. So let me know if you like this approach to drawing characters. I'm just trying out a couple different techniques, and I think I like this one the best. Okay. Let's get a straight line on this side. Let's get a straight line on that side. That's gonna represent where the hair is gonna fall. But before that, every time I draw these little spikes, I feel like I'm drawing Daredevil from Marvel. Okay, and we're gonna connect those just like this. We have 4 little circles, and then we have his symbol. Now I'm still practicing kanji, hiragana, katakana. So this is fun to draw. Okay. Now let's add the hair. So we'll start with this side, and then we'll just mirror it onto the other side. We'll draw a line down, let it curve in a little bit, make a little V shape. We'll do the same thing here. Then we'll just start bringing that out a little bit. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. We'll bring this in a little bit more. Now it's easier to draw straight lines if you just pull your hand down like this. All right, let's continue. I'm gonna pick a point up here. Curve line. Bring it in. Bring it out. And then we'll just keep going down till we get something like that. Same thing on the other side. Okay, I'm gonna move this up just a tad. Last but not least, we gotta get the back of the hair. It's kind of like a lion's mane. Here's how we're gonna do that. Just gonna draw a V shape like that. Cool. Okay. Last thing, necklines. We'll draw the line for the shirt. We'll draw a couple of these. These are going to connect at the corners to make that pattern. We'll go here, we'll draw a line in this direction. And we'll draw another line in this direction. You can take your bungee gum, that's what I call this. This is my eraser. It's just an eraser. It's not actual bungee gum. And there you have it. You've drawn Jiraiya. This episode's book recommendation is Fantastic Mistakes by Neil Gaiman. He's one of my favorite writers and just artists in general when it comes to craft. And this book is perfect for anybody who's either, stuck or just needs some inspiration and some good words to help get them through. This book is the truth. It's a small book. You can get it on Amazon, but open a page and it just has great words. So go get that.